Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where your wireless mouse is not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, before anything else, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, click on Windows Update and click on check for updates in the right page. Now, one may ask, how can we update Windows if the mouse is not working? Obviously, use the touchpad. Then search for mouse in the Windows search bar and then go to mouse settings. Okay, make sure that the primary button is correct and increase the pointer speed to the maximum level. Usually there is no switch for the mouse to be on and off because the mouse has to be on if it's connected. Once this is done, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for mice and other pointing devices. Right click and update all the drivers. And one more thing, if the mouse is not being detected or if it's not working with other systems as well, for a wireless mouse specifically, try changing the battery. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.